Hey, I am on a dinner. Oh, yeah, they try now. Yeah, my friend, customer. Yeah, then they I don't come. Yeah, my beautiful customer. So, every man don't come. I don't come. Hey, I am on a dinner. Oh, yeah, they try now. I am on a dinner. Oh, yeah.
They want me money. You want pet now, you don't get down cry. Say, okay, I okay, for one, I pity for person life. For one, pity for person life. For one, pity for person life. How go get you? Okay, money. I go send you back. Yes. Yes. You must let me be family man. I'm from Africa. Let me go for his daughter. Let me go for his daughter. That one concern you.
Come now. Go. Your father was his nothing. Thank you. Where? Traffic Joshua. Your father. Where?
All right, thank you.
There is a way for everything, and there is a mandate for every secret. Papa! The back man hit him and run away. Yeah. Let me tell you. Help me go get her. Come back. That is daughter. No, I'm talking about my money. What do you mean? Help me, please. No, help me, oh, Papa, Whole life plenty. Oye calm down. Whole life gone. My father is dead, oh! 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 Mbama ugo kwano. Hey! What is it? Papa is dead. Papa is dead. He was knocked out by a motorcycle. And I'm taking him to the mortuary. Maka, nothing else to do. Nothing, no money. How are we going to do this thing now? Papa is dead, though. My brother is dead, though. Where are you, buddy? Who are we going to get? We don't have anybody. Who are we going to call now? Hey! Mbaya ugokwano. My mother is dead, though. My poor mother is dead, though. My mother is dead, though. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Game Who will I explain to? What are we going to do? How are we going to do this? Jesus! How are we going to do this? Jesus! How are we going to do this now? I was in the market today. Somebody rushed to my shop and told me that my mother is not done by your father. When I got there, I saw Papa lying on the floor. Papa was not even shaking. He was already there when I got there. Jesus! What will I do now? How will I explain now? How will I explain this now? How? What kind of bad luck is this? I know you get busy. I know you get busy. I know you get busy. Who will cut up for us now? Who will take care of us now? Is it this petty trade that I am doing? How are we going to manage? Mama, my mother is dead. Everybody, my mother is dead. Our mother is dead. Our mother is dead. Our mother is dead. Hey, hey, hey.
So you are here. And I've been honking and you refuse to open the gates because I know definitely that you are the gate girl or gate woman. Oh, did I say gate man? Anyways, why did you refuse to open the gates? Wait, if you are not the gate girl, then who are you? And what are you doing in my man's house?
Me?
Yeah.
A gate girl. If there's anyone who needs to introduce herself here, that is you. So start talking while I'm listening.
Really?
Yes, start talking.
I see you were roughly raised by your stupid parents. The ways of fool.
Wait. Did you just call my parents' names?
Maybe.
Did you just call my parents' names?
Calm down. Maybe I use the lower name, stupid. What name should I use? Foolish or whatever. But they didn't bring you up well. You were a total lost.
Okay. I will show you how a girl who is not properly raised behaves.
Bring it up.
What is wrong with you? Stop it! I'm here, you're still fighting. Stop it! I don't understand this. I don't get this. Is this how low you rate me, or you don't have manners at all?
How was I supposed to know that she's a cousin sister?
If you had asked her properly, you know she is my cousin sister. But rather you here causing problems and bringing up a fight. Are you mad or something is wrong with you upstairs?
You still have to insult me before.
You are very stupid. I repeat, you are very stupid, Sandra. You are very stupid. You are senseless. This you say. For coming into my house with my sister.
I'm sorry, baby. But you don't have to say that to me. I'm your future wife. I'm sorry.
My father sent me here. I was even coming to your house. Okay. I understand. It's because of the house rent. You know. Help me beg your father. Tell him to give us 2 weeks. Let me see how I can gather the money and pay.
I know you are going to give an excuse. Give us 1 week. Give us 2 weeks. How long are you going to be giving an excuse? I'm tired of all this. Don't you want me to pay my school fees?
Please.
Please, my father sent me here. I need the money.
Please, I'm begging you. Just help us now. See, okay, I know what I'm doing now. I'm selling petty trade. Please.
I don't understand.
Let me just get that money, then I'll pay.
We all are struggling. Me, I need to pay my school fees. What is all this excuse you are giving me?
Please, please. 2 weeks. Believe me, 2 weeks.
Arima, please. I'm not going to take it anymore.
No problem.
Please. I need the money.
2 weeks. Just believe me, 2 weeks.
Let me just go and tell my father. And I won't take this from you again.
Thank you very much, yeah? Just help me beg him, yeah? 2 weeks, yeah? Let me try and gather money so I can pay.
You keep giving us 2 weeks, 1 week. What's all this now? Eh? Are you the only one that stay halfway?
I'm sorry now, I'm sorry.
Baby!
Baby, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. You don't have to treat me like I do not matter to you. Whatever childish behavior I displayed the other day is because of my love to you and unwillingness to lose you. I'm sorry. Yes, baby.
See, Sandra, see the stupidity you displayed on us was due to your insecurity, not love. Now let me ask you, do you know the difference between stupidity and love? Do you know the difference between insecurity and love?
I'm sorry. Okay, I take all the blame and I assure you it's going to repeat itself again. I'm sorry, baby. Oh, thank you, baby. Give me a smile. I'm sorry. I love you. Okay, baby. All right. Oh, I love you.
Erima! Good afternoon. My father sent me here. And you know what I came for.
I already know why you're here. But please, help me beg your father to give us more time so we can raise the money and pay him.
Enough! Why is all this? Every time keep on telling us, give us time. For what? Don't you know it's here my father feed us from? And my school fees, you want to pay it? I don't understand. How long are we going to wait?
I know. That's why I'm begging you. Because we don't have the money now. You know my father just died. Yeah? And we don't really have much.
Edima, I'm not here for all these your stories. Please give me the money and let me go.
You're a girl like me. Eh? That's why I'm begging you. If you want me to kneel for you, I will kneel for you. Say please.
What is your crocodile tears? I'm tired of them. I'm not here for all these stories and give it to me. Please give me the money and let me go.
I am begging you. Eh? See a girl like you is kneeling before you.
Edima, please give me the money. What's all this now?
Just help me beg you.
Oh, so you don't want me to go to school? You don't want my father to pay my school fees?
That's not what I'm saying. You go to school, but he should just give us more time. We'll raise the money and we'll pay.
Okay. Maybe I should go and call my father to come and take the money by himself. I'm tired of all this surprise then. Please give me the money and let me go.
I'm begging
you. have been saying this always. Every time I'm begging you. I'll give you the money. I don't have it. What's all this? Are you the only person that don't have money in this town?
But you know if we have the money, we'll pay. Eh? All I'm saying is just for you to help me beg your father. Eh?
Maybe I will go and call my father to come and take the money by himself so that you will tell him all this rubbish that you are saying here.
I don't understand. Eh? Just look at a girl like you kneeling before you. See how I'm begging you.
Every time you keep telling us, later. How long are we going to be waiting?
Please now, just help us.
Please try and rest the husband. You are tired of all this.
Just help me talk to your father now. I'm begging you. Eh? Hey. all our belongings back to the village, since we don't have money to renew our rent. Anyway, does this man will stay in the village after the burial? I can't say for now. I can't say. Maybe if we are able to realize any money from Papa's burial, we can use it to pay our rent, then come back to the city. Let's go.
Action.
I can't say for now. But if we are able to realize any money from Papa's burial, we can renew our rent, then come back to the city.
But this man is very wicked. He's very wicked.
Even him, he knows he is wicked. So there's no point stressing it.
I don't know why people like being wicked to us. What did we do?
That's a question only God himself can answer. Well, where is Emmanuel and Chika?
They are sleeping.
Okay. We have to go inside now, manage the little foodstuffs we have, and prepare dinner. Just let me tell you, once they wake from sleep, we pass information to them. Everybody is moving his or her thing back to the village. We don't need to wait for this man to come and embarrass us before we leave. So.
Uncle, good day.
Erimu,
Eh?
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm on my way to your house. Where are you going?
I was also coming to your house. Yes, sir.
Hey, I just wanted to find out from you. How are you preparing for your father's burial? It's already in 2 weeks' time. What is going on?
Uncle, honestly, you know, I told you last time. I told you that we don't have any money. And my father did not leave any money behind. But it seems you did not believe me. So that's why I was coming to your house to tell you that since it's like that, we, his children, we've decided to sell one of his lands so that we can use it to fund the burial.
You decided to do what?
To sell one of his lands.
Sell his land? Ebeka, where is that one done? That if you sell your land to bury somebody, you bury 2 people. No, it's not done.
Uncle, it's not like I deliberately want to sell the land. It's because of the situation on ground. There's nothing I can do now. My hands are tight and we don't have money. The debt has already been fixed and it's closed. So if you look at it, the only option now is there is land. So
no, Aruma, you are not selling the land.
I just want to assist my sister and I with some money so that we can use it to pay off our rent and also start preparing for our late father's burial. Because we don't have any money.
Erima, what are you saying? Are you trying to tell me that my brother here has no money? He does not leave anything?
He did not leave anything. Even we are still owing our landlord. He did not leave anything. I won't lie to you.
Erima, all these years that Iyeme had lived in the city, are you telling me he left nothing for his burial?
Oh, he did not leave anything. Most times people in the village are far better than those in the city. Don't take this life the way you see it, Uncle.
Erima, I don't understand. So let me ask you, all these young men that are coming from the city with different big cars, where are they getting it? Echiri here Makanala.
Uncle, I can't explain. I can't say what I don't know. But as for my father, he didn't leave anything. We've been starving, hungry. We know how we struggle, how we survive to feed in that house.
And what have you here, man?
Uncle, that's why I'm here.
Hey! Hey!
Uncle, please.
Hey, Daddy, ho!
You're our last hope, Uncle.
Hey, whoa! Don't go there. Me, last hope. For village here. From city to village, I be last hope. To Fiakwa.
Uncle, please. I'm begging you, please. I'm begging you. We don't even have money to feed. And we also need to pay our house rent because the landlord is on our neck. Soon he will throw our things outside.
Kedu the case ya for onye ukwu wara biko nu? Erimma, ị nọkwa be gị? Oh.
Nah, I was just looking for you inside your room.
You are looking for me?
I was looking for you.
Oh, there's no problem.
Yeah. Oh, there's no problem. Come in, how can there be problem? I simply wanted to find out the outcome of your late brother's burial. How did it go?
The burial has come and gone. It went fine. Everything has been settled.
Everything has been settled?
Yes.
I just wanted to know about the monetary aspect of the burial, how it all went. Ogina, what is it? Who's after you? Ogina, chair. Hey! Let me sit close to you. I'm sitting here with you.
If not for Papa's burial, what are we going to do in this week? Who would have gone back? I know. That one is nobody's fault. It's a call of nature that everybody understands. It's so unfortunate that Papa's in this. May his soul rest in perfect peace. Amen. I'll go back to school. You've said that before. Yes. But I need money. Money for school fees and house rent. See, I can manage any food I get from the house. I manage those ones. School fees and house rent. It's important. Hey! What are we going to do? Eh? I'm confused. Because I don't know what to do. You don't have money. You know it. Don't you? It's all this petty trading that I'm doing. How do you think I can realize what that is? Hey. So there's no how you can manage at least just go first. Yeah. My father's one of his school. The best school is and figure out what will I sleep on the streets. Ha! Well, do you want me to be doing what's in school? Because I can follow other guys and be doing the same thing. You want to kill me now? No, you want to kill me. Our father is dead and you want me to die too. Huh? Why are you saying this kind of thing? You follow that girls and be doing what's Makaginese. I can have where to stay now. But you won't know it, so. I better close your mouth. Why you won't say that kind of thing again? Allow me to think. Let me know what I can come up with. Eh? Hey, how did I forget so fast? Uncle, I have to go and meet Uncle. Yes. So that he can give me the money he realized, or we realized from our father's death. Okay. Is our right? That money is our money. Eh? So from there, I'll give you some money, you take to school, pay your rent, pay your school fees, nothing like runs. Hey, so now I can eat. Oh, eat your bad. So, well, I want money. Are you sure? Yes. Make it. Everything is ready. Food is ready. I know you. He goes. You don't want to go. My friend said that thinking about money. Oh, what's that? Oh, I'm doing so. We are fine. Make the food bring. Let me eat. I have to go malo. You know, construct on how to get money. So bring food. Let me eat. Oh.
Uncle, I'm here so we can calculate the total money we realized from my father's burial. Because my sister needs to go to school and she needs money. Yes, uncle.
Okay, in that case, you have to go. You come back tomorrow. You know, these days, one don't keep money in the house. It's either it's in the bank or in the hand of the daily contribution people.
Okay. That's not a problem. But I would like us to calculate. Let's put heads together and calculate to know the actual amount we realized. And I will be fine.
Calculate?
Yes, uncle.
Calculate it how? How?
Uncle, I have my own record. And you have yours. I'm not even talking about the minor ones some other people gave us. But with your record and with one I have, let's just calculate it. So I will know how much we realized, the total sum. That's what I'm saying. Yes, uncle.
Okay. I understand.
So you agreed to calculate it with her? You accepted it?
She insisted that we calculate.
And so? Would she have forced words out of your mouth if you had said no?
She came with her notebook. And I just want us to handle the situation peacefully. That is why I decided to calculate with her.
And where does that happen? I asked. Yeah? How have peace solved any problem in the past, if not opening a wound that never heals? And let me tell you, for you to be a strong man, you have to do away with anything that has to do with peace. Because now I got peace. Because here now, camera, face. Men, strong men don't talk about face. Action.
I hear you. Okay, now. What do you suggest I should do?
Now you are talking. Like in a Mama. Papa. Are they gone? Where are you coming from? Papa. Mama. You trust your boy now. I jumped the fence, fly enter inside the bush there, you know. I did one corner of the bush, they on top of tree, they hide my bow for there. Alpha, they follow me come here.
Go and ask your ancestors. They follow you come here. Be careful.
Papa, calm down now. Now they take this life serious. No one does that. Calm down.
Make I calm down.
Calm down, Papa.
Don't worry. No take life serious. Look at you. Until police will shoot you one day.
Shoot me? Who are the resemble? How you are the resemble? Now you are the resemble now. How do you have my carbon copy now? Boy!
You will die one day.
You will not die.
This boy.
Don't change the way you will grow. Keep cursing him.
We calculated everything, and it was total sum of 400,000 naira. So much money. So what is this? He said I should come back tomorrow. To do what for me? To collect the money. To collect the money now? Are you having any doubts? It's to collect the money. I'm upon here also. Uncle Umi. You and I know that. Umi is not the list of 100 good men in the community. What it has to do with money? You will even see him in the top 10 of wicked men in this community. I don't trust him. Anyway, I don't really know about that. But you see, in this case, this is the money we realized from my father's burial, not his wife's burial. So if I go there tomorrow, he will give me the money. Complete. 1 naira will not fall off me. Complete though. Yes, I can give you money to go back to school, while myself, Chika, and Emmanuel go back to the city. Check it now. No, he spoke well, though. Yeah? Yes, he spoke. He didn't even talk like someone that is angry. Of course. I went straight to the point, bam. You know how I used to talk. Why didn't he give you the money immediately? Why did he say to you? He said, you can't just keep the money in the house. That he kept it somewhere, you know. where they used to save money. So that, there's no problem. Till tomorrow.
Brother, I don't think Sandra is qualified to be your wife. Your wife.
You know I don't expect you to be fine. Now you picked up a fight with this girl, your first meeting with her. You know, you both are women, so I don't expect a positive remark of Sandra from you.
Yes, brother, I understand the fact that she was stupid enough to have fought me on the first day without knowing who I am. But
what? Philo, but what? This is not just about Sandra, but the both of you. Yes, the both of you. This whole issue, this whole problem, this whole drama should have been avoided if you had introduced yourself properly to this girl. No, hell no. Why not stay calm and avoid this whole issue? Why she was bluffing and making all those noise? You are my sister. Stay cool. But no.
Brother, her tongue was just wagging anyhow. She was just talking anyhow. So I had to call her to order. That aside, me disqualifying her for a wife has nothing to do with the incident.
No. Then what?
I think that girl is cheating. She's cheating, brother.
Oh, really? No, Philo. You think she's cheating or she's cheating? Which one should I hold up to? Which one?
Okay, she's cheating. She's cheating.
Now, did you catch her with any man? Have you?
No, I haven't. But there's just something fishy about that girl. Something is not clear.
Philo, my sister. You know what? Just go inside and make me my favorite.
Brother, are you not the one that is in love? Which means you have a girlfriend. So let her come and make the food for you now.
You know I enjoy your food most times. Go and make me something to eat.
But brother, me, I'll put my eyes down. I will catch that girl. I must catch her.
Uncle, I don't understand though. Were you not the one that asked me to come back today?
And you foolishly obey that instruction. Eh? When you were here 2 weeks ago crying, begging for assistance, you are now coming here to be very, very careful.
Uncle, honestly, like I said, I don't understand. It's your late brother's burial we are talking about here. Your late brother. If I came crying to you for assistance, is it a bad thing?
Now you are talking. Erima, you are talking. Hey, let's reason it together. It's my late brother's burial. And I spend money to bury him. What is wrong if I keep the proceeds of that burial?
Because he also has a family. Uncle, we also need to survive.
Let me ask you, where was that family when money is needed for his burial? How much did the family contribute for this burial, Erima? Eh?
So this is what you're saying, Uncle. This is what you're saying. It's obvious you want to keep this money. You don't want to give us the money.
Erima, what else do you want me to say? Erima, let me ask you. If you don't know sugar, have you seen anybody that they put sugar inside his mouth and you throw it away?
It will not work. Uncle, it will not work. You see that money? If I come back for it next time, you will know that I'm a mad person.
You want to beat me?
I don't want to beat you, Uncle, but I am telling you the fact. If I come back and you don't give me that money, you will not like me.
Will you get out of my house?
Get out. When I come back, you understand. There's no problem.
Erima, the queen walk. Elima thinking they look reba Elima. I can't get a kukwagana. I can hear my ho. If you come here another day, what I will do to you, you will not like it.
I told you that Uncle Lee is not only wicked and wicked, but he's also evil. Have you seen it? Before we are... Hey! That man is wicked. As in, wicked from the pit of hell. My father once talked about him. He talked about how wicked he is. I doubted it. Huh? Now look at it. Just look at the useless, stupid man. He asked me to walk out of his house. Hey, for my own money. I'm going to see something. I need to go back to school. You, Chika and Emmanuel, you will go back to the city. I don't need money for all these things. Eh? That man doesn't know me. He doesn't know me. He thinks because I'm just giving him some special treatment. Maybe he feels I don't know what or I can't handle. If this village does not gather for I am that stupid man, you should just know that my name is not Irima. There's no problem. I'm gonna ring that man. Okwete no name, eh? Can you imagine? How can we be suffering when we have money? What kind of nonsense is this one now? Anyway, I will just try and talk to his friend Obasi. To go and talk to him to see if he will change his mind. If he fails, anything he sees, let him take it. Yes, that is it. Then I would not have tried. Is that matter? That's what about. I'm just coming from Mazuwe's house now to collect the money we realized from my father's burial. And he's telling me rubbish. Talking nonsense. That's why I'm angry. There's no problem. I thought there's a place remaining inside. And what about your brother?
I have problem with this. I have a problem with it.
What is it? Tell me what the problem is. Let me solve it immediately.
The people.
What about the people?
When will they talk? How will they see me? When they realize that I confiscated every money realized from my brother's burial. What will they say?
Let them say anything they want to say. Meanwhile, where are the people? Where were they when raising the money for the burial was difficult? Where were they?
Nkiruka, you should realize that Iheme is my brother.
Oh, the man.
There's nothing wrong if I contributed money in his burial. And they expect nothing in return.
Oh, the man. Iheme is my brother. Iheme is my brother. Nobody is fighting with you over that. He's your brother. But this so-called brother of yours, has he ever bought any gift for your children when he was in the city? Has he ever given you money when he was in the city enjoying his money? Was it not just about his family, himself, and everything that concerns him, that bothers him? Nothing about you bothers him. Now, how come now he's not your number one problem? Your number one duty to attend to everything that concerns him. Iheme is my brother. It's when I was sister.
Nkiruka. I don't want people to call me a bad man. I don't want people to call me a bad man.
Let them call you a bad man. What is wrong with people calling you a bad man? What is wrong with it? Let there be something that you are known for. The guy was empty like that. Let the people call you bad. Everybody was not meant to be good. Some people were created to be bad and wicked. Others were created to be good and soft. But I will advise you to be bad so that you will live long. Those people that always seek for peace die early. Do you want to die early? Be bad. Let them know you for that. Name is CPK. My brother. Okay, no. Be bad. Let them go be start to eat. Take it. Oh.
Teresa, this is why you are here this hot afternoon. I hope there is no problem.
Well, there's problem.
I wasn't to be the problem.
There's problem.
What is it?
You know our people say, my friend was some chata.
Hi, Teresa. So you left your husband's house to come here to tell me an adage that the forest that fears a basket should not grow a much or should not grow much. Is that it? Okay? Can you explain what the adage means, please?
Brother, Erima, our brother's daughter, called me and she told me that you are holding on to the money that was realized from her father's burial. So I've come to find out if it is true.
As what? Pocket lawyer. Teresa, do you really appreciate that I am still your elder brother?
I am my elder brother now. We are not contesting that, but what I'm saying is that I am also their auntie. Yes, I am their auntie. And the Iheme is our brother. Yes, so why are you holding on to the money realized from his burial? We We should release the money to the children so that they will see something to eat.
Did you ask Erima how much she contributed in her father's burial? Did you ask her how the money to bury her father come about? Have you ever come to me to ask me, brother, all the time we are preparing for EMS burial, how much did you and your husband contribute?
Hey, people, brother, don't even go there. Don't go there, brother. Because I know Omona contributed money for brother EMS burial. Yes, I am aware. I know.
Teresa, you have overstayed your welcome in my house. Just chill every day.
Brother,
leave my house.
Brother,
I tell you this
brother,
house.
stop this thing you are doing, You are being evil. Stop maltreating our brother's children.
Oh, yeah, don't get out of my house. Live here before I slap you. I can live this house before I slap you.
Because I'm asking you to treat our brothers children.
Are you not living? I said just turn and face where you are.
Do what is right.
Leave my house, this will get away you.
Do what is right, brother. Do what is right,
Look when one who wants here. Look when picture and shim picture therapy to before this useless man come to pick her up. I don't blame you. Let me see my house another day. Look when she should be good. Get away getting back and be on one booty for there. Erima she could Erima.
Doesn't your cousin's sister have any other place to stay?
She does. My father lives in the street.
So when is she going to her house?
Do you have any place that she's in?
To be sincere with you, yes.
Why?
It is obvious she doesn't like me. She makes me so uncomfortable. I feel she's monitoring every of my movements. I don't like it.
Now let me ask you. Do you have any skeleton in your cupboard? Do you?
Skeleton in my cupboard. Why would you ask me that?
Because you're scared of being monitored. At the end of your training, I should be very
Far from being going or not, don't you get the discomfort you get when you're being monitored by someone?
No, I don't. Unless I have something hidden. But if I don't have anything hidden, I should be very.
I don't know when you're going to trust me. It's fine.
Come on, baby, right?
Really.
How do you get it out of there?
Of course, I should be angry with you.
You will not believe that he asked me to leave his house. And even threatened that he's going to ask his children to beat me.
Has it got into this?
Ofat Junjuriao. Has it got into this? I asked him the same question. My own brother asked me to leave his house. Hey.
So, Auntie, what do you suggest we do now?
Force. You will have to use force. That is the only approach you can use now. When you get to his house, tell him that he must give you the money he realized from your father's burial. Otherwise, you are not leaving his compound. If I am going to open now, okay. If he has the mind to ask me to leave, that means not going to go here. Hey, he's like, Brother May has forgotten me. He has forgotten. Oh, Chef Fugo. No, because of my stubbornness, the papa married me off. Now Teresa is back. I am back. What kind of wickedness is that?
Very wicked.
How can he be treating his brother's children like that?
I wonder. She doesn't even care about us.
Okay.
She doesn't care if we eat
no
or
problem.
not.
We shall see.
This is not fair. It's not just good at all. Anyway, now I get the message. There's no problem.
You remember he will shake.
Chukwujeku, you have been sitting here for some minutes now. You have not said anything. Why did you call this meeting?
We want to stare at our faces. We want to look at our faces.
Papa, Mama, I know I may be faulted for stealing. Yes, or how I magnet things. But I cannot be called the devil. Yes, because I still have shame and a conscience.
What is the meaning of all this? What are you fumbling about? What is it?
It is a disgrace that I was unfortunate and mistakenly born, giving birth to by both of you that share the same lineage with the devil.
Can
you imagine?
Where is that coming from? Is that an insult or what?
Do you and Mama deserve any form of praise?
Brajeko, do you realize you're talking to Mama and Papa? Or have you lost your manners?
My friend Gemonte, respect is earned. Yes. Yes, stop, mother, stop, yes. Listen to me. He who went to fetch an ant-infested firewood should be ready for feast of the lizard.
Yeah,
no, how do you expect me to respect them when they've rubbed the face of the family on the mud like that?
Look at the man, Bikun. Where is all this coming from? Papa, why are you insulting us?
It is coming from your wickedness. Yes. It is everywhere now. It's everywhere. The rumor is everywhere. How you have seized that old man Iheme's property and the money realized from his burial.
Brajeko.
Yes.
But that is not enough reason to insult them like that now.
No. What can I not say now? You are a replica of your mother, the devil, and Papa is the disciple. Don't worry. When the consequences of all these your actions come knocking on the door, man of never.
You get your son.
Jeku, you see as I'm looking at you.
Offer.
Jeku.
Why is he talking like that, sir?
Oh, no worry.
Ichiro, you must tell me who is the father of this.
Go and ask God how many got confused about Jesus. Nonsense. It's a replica. My daughter resembles me, your son resembles me.
I don't want to.
Why are you disturbing me? Allow me to have peace in my house. What is it?
Uncle, please. I am not here for us to quarrel. Please, I come in peace. Just hear me out.
Do I have any business with you? I don't have business with you. Leave me alone.
Uncle, I know why I'm saying this. I don't want us to start washing our dirty linens outside.
Which linen are you talking about? The one you have washed already outside before you start coming here. The one you want to report me to Mazi Obasi. You have watched it there, you want... Bacharanya go.
Uncle, Mazi Obasi is your friend. That's why I told him. So he will know how to tell you this.
He's my friend. You are the one who merged us together as friends. Okay, let me ask you. Before you went to him, did you come and tell me? Did you seek my consent?
Okay, I'm sorry about that.
Erima, listen, this you are sorry is just... Forget it. Okay, what is it? Erima, I am all ears. Talk, let me hear you.
Mama, good day.
Good day, Rima. Hello, how are you?
Mama, I'm not fine.
What is going on? What's wrong with you?
I'm just coming from your house now.
From my house?
Yes, Mama.
I hope all is well.
All is not well, Mama. Mama, please. I want you to help me beg your husband to release the money he realized from my father's burial. Yes, so that my sister and I can use it to feed and do one or two things in the house.
Are you telling me now that my husband has not given you that money we set aside for you?
He has not, though.
He has not given you that huge amount we set aside for you people?
He has not, Mama.
How dear Mama? Why? Why is he behaving like that?
Mama, please, just help me talk to him. Help me beg him.
I will.
We need that money. We need to help ourselves too.
Don't lament further. As soon as I leave your presence here, I'm going home. I'm going home to comfort him.
Okay.
And I'm sure that after talking to him, he will call you people this evening to give you the money. Okay, Rika, no, we won't finish it now.
Thank you very much.
I mean, Alicia, we can't finish the money.
Thank you.
Don't wipe your tears. Don't just cry. Don't lament.
okay.
Everything is okay.
Let me run
Harry.
along. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
Maka ị ga-akiji awụwalị n'anwụ.
Also chuba nyuwa chuba ya nuwa mano. Also chuba mada chuba ya nuwa ngozi. If I solo dino me, we go talata no chago kwanwai. Onye chukwu kozi no kozi go kwanwai. Also chuba nyuwa chuba ya nuwa mano. Also chuba mada chuba ya nuwa ngozi. If I saw nothing, no baby, we go chalata, no chago kwanwa. Amen, man, and up on cousin, yeah. That's all life will be. Oi, person what they want to death, deny him, they live longer pass, yeah. Makan, amen, man, Imanu go chalata, no chago no. If I could then, they give features in the noir. Oi, also chubonyo, chubayan woman. Also chubamada, chubayan one. If I saw them dino man, we go talata, not I go one way. Oi, onye chukwu kozi, no kozi go one way. Also,
you want me to abandon my studies?
Who said so?
Who said so? Eh? I'm just being careful here. Careful about what? Asking for your rights? No, our rights. Eh? I mean, it's our rights. But he's still our uncle. Not of to start washing our dirty linen outside. Any more dirty linen out of my house? Eh? For someone who does not even care if you leave or not. See, some family members are enemies. Yes, and Uncle B has not been nice to us since our father died. And we should treat him as a failure like this. So in your head, you think I'm stupid. Like I don't have sense. I don't know what I'm doing. He said, calm down. When I say calm down, you calm down and listen to me. On my way, I even met his wife. I talked to her. She said when she gets home, she will talk to her husband. That she know what everything will be fine. Who told you that? So I believe he will be listening. Your wife told you she will talk to him and you believe it. What do you want me to do? No problem. I still don't want to do anything about this. No problem. It's okay. It's okay. I want to. You're going where? I'm coming. I want to buy something. You're buy for two. Because me, I'm hungry.
You also chubonyo, chubayan woman. Also chubamada, chubayan one. If I saw nothing, no man, we go talata, not I go one way. Onye chukwu kozi, no kozi go one way.
Babe, why did you choose to bring me here? I mean, yeah, it's too local. Have you forgotten we have other different places to hang out?
Calm down.
And it's too hidden.
You just have to bear with me. I think eyes are on me.
Eyes on you?
Yes.
How? I don't understand.
My boyfriend's cousin is around, and she has a strong belief that I'm cheating.
Cheating?
Yeah, like I'm cheating on my boyfriend. And she wants to get a proof, like an evidence that I'm cheating. I don't want to give her the opportunity. I don't want to. So please just bear with me. Please.
Noted. Fine. So now I minimize the way I call my girlfriend?
Yes,
how I give her text messages?
Yes. If I don't call you, please don't call me. And if you get a message that doesn't start with 201, note it 201. Please don't reply. Alright?
So that is the reason you brought me here? This is too local for
I
you.
expect you to understand.
Fine. Noted. Fine. Fine. I remember. So, what about the money you promised to give to me?
I will give you that, but not this week. Yes.
Why?
Because he said next week. Come on, I will give it to you next week, alright?
Promise?
Give me a hug. Yeah, I promise. Can we go in now?
Okay.
Ladies, fall. I'm falling.
Oh, don't fall. have done everything you asked me to do, but he is still adamant. Eh? I didn't even tell you I reported this matter to his friend Mazi Obasi, and he tried talking to him, but he did not listen. He has refused to release the money to me. Eh? I don't know why he's doing this to us.
In that case, report him to his kinsmen.
The kinsmen? Hey, won't it look like I'm taking the matter too far?
He has already taken the matter too far. By seizing that money, he has taken the matter too far. Report him to the kinsmen. Because I remember that day after the burial, we were all in his house. He was there making mouth, saying that he will take care of you and your siblings.
Exactly.
And even when I was living with my husband, we were happy. We said, thank God your father didn't leave you without your uncle. We were happy. I know I'm a married woman, but I was happy and I was just at rest, hoping that he will take care of you people. Where is this one coming from now? What kind of wickedness is this?
I don't know. And I didn't want this matter to get outside.
I will not pretend like I don't know where this is coming from, because I know where this is coming from. It is from his wife. That evil woman that he married. You see that woman? Ajochi. She is the reason behind all this thing. All this wickedness is coming from her. But no problem. You must go to the woman and report him. Did you hear me?
I've heard you. I wanted us to settle this thing amongst ourselves.
There is no settlement.
I don't want it to get outside, but I don't know.
It has already got outside. Go to the woman. Erimma, Bakuru Monna. There are the people that can save you. Did you hear me?
Okay, I will know what to do anyway. I will try and figure out what to do. Thank you very much.
I have not seen Chiaka. Where is she?
I sent her on an errand.
What of Emmanuel and Chika?
Well, they are inside sleeping.
Okay, no problem. I hope people still have food.
That is the problem. That is the point. That's why I'm worried. We don't have much food in this house. We're just managing, drinking gari morning, afternoon, and night.
Where is this coming from?
I don't know. Uncle just changed. You don't understand.
Hey!
This was not what he promised us, so.
Okay, no problem. I've heard you. When I get to the house, I will tell my son to get a tubers of yam for you and your siblings.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless you.
It's nothing. Let us be doing. You people are my brother's children. I cannot abandon you at this point. It's not possible.
Thank you.
It's not possible. I will see you later. I even have a meeting at the Unwanted. It's even because I said, okay, after seeing you, I'll start going for the meeting. I will send my son to do something for you in the evening.
Thank you so much, Auntie.
Don't go and report him.
I will.
Don't forget to report him.
I will.
What kind of wickedness?
Thank you. Thanks for your advice. Thanks for everything.
And where do you think you're coming from?
You have no right whatsoever to question my movements.
Even when you went on a date with another man?
What nonsense are you talking about?
Oh, you want to deny it? Deny it! No, go ahead and deny it.
You are making no sense.
Really?
Yes.
I am making no sense. Even when you picked him by some streets, Sandra.
Are you following me around?
Let's just say I am bent on revealing who you truly are and saving my brother from future doom. I got my eyes on you, Sandra. I got my eyes on you.
You are losing it. Yes, you are losing it.
Really? Yes. And you are leaving soon.
Are you done? Excuse me, let me open my boyfriend's gate. Excuse me, let me open my boyfriend's gate.
You're leaving this house very soon.
Oh.
Let's bet it.
Bet it! Bet it! Busybody. I beg, excuse me before I jam you.
There is a way for everything, and there is a mandate for every secret. Onye na nusa onye kaya di achoko matakwa na efine welodo chia na chulu iji maka nifonye metala oh oni mene ifonye mena yoa oya na lobo ifomoni metala ifonye metala oh there is a way for everything, and there is a mandate for every secret. Onye na nusa onye kaya di achoko mataku efine welodo chia na chulu iji.
Problem? The seriousness.
Who is that young man? Who is he?
So she told you already.
Sandra, and that hasn't answered my question. Who is that man?
You are not making any sense. Okay, fine, it's okay. So it's now a crime to hang out with my new cousin.
Then how come I don't know about him? How come I don't know about this, your cousin you're talking about?
That's because he came back from the States not too long. It's fine. If you want me to invite him, I can invite him over this weekend. That will make you happy.
Fine. I am sorry I've talked to you in such matters. Okay? I'm sorry.
Because one day, you just wake up and throw me out of your house. Because you have chosen your sister over me. You've made her a priority. That is not fair.
And I just told you I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry! Can't you get it?
Are you shouting?
Sandra, I'm sorry.
And she has to give us space. Yes, she needs to leave this house because she is making me so uncomfortable, like I'm not showing love the way I'm supposed to. Gossip and all of that, I'm not comfortable with it. Please, she has to leave the house.
You know everything you're saying is not the truth. And you want me to tell my younger sister to leave my house?
Your cousin. Your
She
cousin.
is my sister.
Oh, she just have to leave. I don't like her, and I know she doesn't like me.
I am done with this. Excuse me.
I thought you were apologizing.
Why did you accuse her wrongly? Why?
But I did not. I saw them with my 2 eyes.
Philo, you should have verified who this man was before feeding me with this nonsense gossip.
But she's lying to you. That man is not her relative. He's not though.
Do you have any proof on this nonsense gossip you just told me? Do you?
I've seen that man's face once at the mall, and she says he just got back from the States. That girl is lying.
Philo, what has come over you? Now let me ask you, don't people who came back from abroad visit the mall anymore? Don't they? Now, Philo, it's time you leave my house. Oh yes, you're disturbing my peace in this house. It's high time you leave this house, go back to your father's house and spend some time. Okay? I am done with this. Your nonsense gossip.
But so you're asking me out of your house instead of her? Okay, no problem, I'll leave. I'll leave, but I'll be here and watch you regret your mistakes. Nonsense.
Sorry, excuse me. Sorry, could you help me with how I can locate Kanayo Street? Are you conversant with this environment?
Okay, yeah. Kanayo Street is somewhere there. After this junction now, the next street by your right.
Okay, I just straight down and then my right?
Straight down, the first street by your right.
Okay.
You see Kanayo Street.
Okay, so you're conversant with this area?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. Not like I'm trying to take your time, but can we at least exchange contacts so maybe I can hook you up later in the evening? Today, tomorrow, what do you say?
That's no problem.
Yeah.
That's no problem.
So it's fine by you?
Of course.
Okay, so let me have your number.
Okay. Okay, 080.
Yeah.
68.
Okay.
22.
19.
81.
Okay, so you said
Hi.
Straight down.
Hi.
Sorry.
Forget to ask the name.
Yeah. Sorry, my bad. I'm Philomena.
Philomena. You're welcome. Nice to meet you.
Same here. So you said straight down, then my right.
Straight down. Road by the right. First street.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Bye.
Remember to flash me.
Oh, yeah, I will.
Just tell me what you want to do. You take this
On one condition. One condition.
and what is the
When you stop stealing, who says worry? I'm not okay with it. Stop stealing.
Babe, I should stop stealing just like that. With empty hand. How do you expect me to gather money to take care of you? I know it's not possible. That is my only surprise.
See why there are decent jobs that other men do to take care of their family. You mustn't be from stealing. I am telling you.
My dear, there is no any other job. There is no job anywhere. The job that I even available people have occupied it. So you don't expect me to subject myself to a job that cannot earn. Let me put that way.
Because
okay, pick it and
action.
there is no job anywhere. You don't expect me to subject myself to a job that earn less than
Okay, calm it.
Less than what?
You get
less than the stress.
Thank
less
you.
than the stress. Like okay, I get. Okay, pick it.
like bricklayer. You get the work. Bricklayer, computers. Pick up. Action.
See, listen. You don't expect me to stop stealing just like that. Yeah? And you know I cannot subject myself to a job that earn less than the stress like bricklayer and all that, you know, bricklayer, mechanic, and even computer. Yeah? I am too big for that. See, just allow me to sit down and do my stealing. Yeah? So that I can gather enough money to open up a better business for people of us to enjoy. Then I'll stop stealing. You know I cannot stop that thing now.
Stay on your lane and count me out of it. When you're ready to stop, you tell me.
See, whatever thing I'm doing is for the betterment of two of us. Allow me to do this stealing so that I will gather enough money, even if it's 5 million naira. It will be enough for us to open business. Anyway, I'm just doing this to please you.
All right. Edima.
Uncle, good day. Good day. I was even going to your house.
You're coming to my house.
Yes, sir.
After sending you a useless sister. To come to my house, yes, Dad, you saw me and my family. You are coming to my house.
I did not send
Erimma, be careful.
Yes.
Be careful, Erimma.
I did not send any of my sisters to come and insult you. What for? Even Chiaka couldn't go to school because there's no money to give her to go back to school.
Am I the one holding her from going back to school? What is my business with that?
Yes, uncle. You're the one holding her from going
How?
to school. You're holding the money I'm supposed to give to her to go back to school.
Erima, I have warned you before, and I'm warning you again. Erima, I'm not owing you a dime. Penny shishi, anene, nkebowarishi, eji honge.
Stop it! Just stop it there! Look at this old fool. Because I've been respecting you. You don't want to have sense. So you think because I've been respecting you, keeping quiet, you think I don't know what I'm doing? Hey, you better go and bring that money, oh. The money we realized from my father's burial, you better go and bring it. Else there will be no peace for you in this village. Everybody hear my voice, oh. Everybody hear it, oh. Else I will burn down your house. I will make sure I kill everybody in that place. I'm not joking, oh. It is not a threat. I'm telling you what I will do. Bring the money back and listen. I'm taking care of my younger ones. What is it? What is it, you old man?
Listen, let me tell you something. Nwata choba ihe gburu nna ya egbuo ya. Erima, they expect you to come and disgrace me in this village. Erima, be careful. Be careful, Erima. I've told you before. I'm not owing you. I am not owing you.
I have lost all the respect I have for you.
I don't need your respect.
Because you're a wicked man.
I don't need your respect.
You're an evil man.
I'm not owing you. How much did you put in your father's burial?
Yes.
How much did you
put in and give us the balance?
Then I take everything. It's my investment. I invested it.
I will kill ourselves.
Orima, you will kill yourself.
Useless uncle.
Orima, you kill yourself. Get out of here.
You get out too. Nonsense. You better go and bring that money. Else there will be no peace for you. I will fight you. I'm not even looking at your fight. You see this your fight?
If I just raise my hand away, I will wipe your face. I
will
wipe your face. If I wipe your face.
Try it now. Keep on the Kweko. Try it. Everybody tell this wicked man no. So we need the money we realize from my father's burial.
You have no money and I will not give you a
You must bring it.
I will not give you a
Whether you like it or not, you must bring it.
No.
Uncle, you must bring it. Anything you like.
No,
in this village.
I will not give you 1 naira.
You kill yourself, you must bring it.
You kill yourself.
Yes.
You will die.
You will be
You are the one that to die.
You will die first.
They are burying you.
You will die first.
Yeah, they bury your
Look
father.
at your grave. Look at your grave. We've already done your grave. We can, uncle. Bring out the money we realize from my father's burial. We can, uncle, bring it out. On your ship. You're a thief. Bring it out.
See why we have to end this relationship now.
Why?
Because my mother does not like you. Neither do my friends. Everybody's complaining. See why this, see why that. I am tired.
What is her reason?
See why you cry. Is it not obvious in this village? Do you have a good record? Am I the one stealing?
So, record is record. What matter is creating and breaking them, whether good or bad.
Okay, Bam. This is your mentality. You are not the kind of man my mother wants around me. So stay off me.
You stay off you. So you think you can break up with me just like that? It's not possible. Baby, think about it now. Think twice.
Hey, how did you start this? Did you gather villagers before you date? Were they there? This is how it started and it will end here. I am done with you.
That is a lie. Baby, I am too big to be dumped, man. Just chill until I'm done using you.
It is your younger sister you will use. It is them you will use as trash.
Are you talking to me like that?
Stay away from me, I've told you.
My friend, you can see.
Man.
You want to try me in this villa? Okay, we shall see then. Let me see how you walk out from this relationship.
There is a wait for everything, and there is a mandate for every secret. Onye na nusa onye kaya di achoko matakwa na efine welodo chiye na chulu iji maka nifonye metala. If I put in if I put in
Why did that motorcycle have to drive me? Why did that motorcycle have to drive me? Why? What kind of problem is this now? Is this how people used to die? Just like that? Someone that was not sick. Why will he just die like that? No, why will Papa die like that? What are you doing? Don't you see what we are going through? I am tired. That is the problem. I am tired. You will go to school. I will take care of you people. Only me. You need to stop. Only me. How? How? How will I do it now? What did you want a man and... What do you want us to do now? You're crying. What do you start crying now? Even the money now, God does not want to release it. How are we going to go? Stop crying. And you told me that there is no money. You will go to school. And you do runs. I was joking. I will not do runs. You told me you would do runs. I will not do runs. You told me. That was what you told me. I will not do runs. I was joking. Please, please. No matter the outcome, no matter what, please do not do wrong. Do not join bad girls, do not join bad girls. People should just be with me. I don't know what to do. You know, it's just this petty thing I'm doing. I don't know what to do. I don't know who to talk to. I don't know who to beg for money. Why are these people wicked? Why is this man doing this thing to us now? I will shout though. I will shout. Let everybody hear it though. I will shout. What are you doing? I've been keeping quiet since. I will shout now. I will shout. Okay. I will shout. I will shout. Stop, please. I'm tired. I'm tired now. Stop. Can't you see that I'm tired? See, I'm here people eating. So we're fine. We're not hungry. Stop. It's a lie. You're lying. You're lying. You're lying. How will Emmanuel come? How will Emmanuel not come? How will Emmanuel not come? What will Emmanuel eat? What will he eat? I don't like this kind of thing. It's okay. They should tell that man to release the money now. Is it because we would not have father? Is it because nobody will talk to us? Oh Makayama, is it because of that? Is it because of that? I will kill that man. I will kill him. You should tell him I will kill him. He should give me the money now so we can help ourselves. Get what you paying? Get what you paying? Oh, can't the mother say me? Oh, can't the mother say me?
Oh, how you?
Hi, Ike.
Ah,
How you doing?
I'm not fine.
What happened? Why?
You asked me what happened. You promised to call the other day. I waited for your call all to no avail.
Oh, that?
Of course.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I have been very busy because I had a very tight schedule. But I'm here now, so fine.
Well, there's no problem. Hey, can I know you, Mom?
Okay, like you already know, my name is Philomena.
Okay.
I am Kubana Chief Priest's younger sister. You know, I didn't want to just disclose it, but because I have so much interest in you and so much likeness for you now.
Wait. That's what I just heard now. Wait, are you trying to tell me that you are Kubana Chief Priest's younger sister?
But I just said it. He's my elder brother, Kubana Chief Priest.
From Imo State?
Of course, also local government.
Jesus Christ! My God! Are you for real?
Yes, baby.
I'm like 20. Oh, it's my pleasure.
Oh,
it's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. Give me a 5, man.
It's fine.
Oh, God. Oh.
Fine. So, you already know about me, so can I meet you?
Oh, that's that. Why will I? Why don't? Okay.
Just start from somewhere. Don't be lost. Come on.
Okay, my name is Ike. I'm an entrepreneur.
Oh, interesting. An entrepreneur?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so are you fully based here or you're based abroad?
For now, I'm not in Nigeria.
for now, that means you haven't been there, so you're just here for now. You're doing your business.
Maybe you really want to take me out.
Also funny.
I'm telling you.
But it's fine. It's a pleasure meeting you.
It's my pleasure, my dear. It's my pleasure. Kupala Chief Prince, younger sister.
Philomena. That's me.
Okay,
how about we just hang out somewhere and have a bottle of two?
Wait. Is that your car there?
Yeah, that's one of my cars.
Jesus Christ. I mean, I'm not your type, bro. Seriously, I'm not your type.
Come on, let's go.
May they not break my head.
No, let's go.
Are you serious? Jesus Christ of Nazareth. So, I am now dating a Cubana younger sister. Hey! Come back. So, man, Ike, man, don't give up. It's time you let her know that if you love her, you have feelings for her. In fact, I can't wait to bring up her thing and say, will you marry me? She say yes. Oh, Kubana Chief Priest will do everything for me. Man, this opportunity. Hey! The one opportunity. Huh? Okay. See what happens? I calm down. See what we'll do tomorrow. Get your knees on the floor and look up to her face. Philomena, will you marry me? She'll say yes. Huh. That's what I will do.
Ayo mana adimma, koyere chala balo. Ayo mana adimma, koyere chala balo. Ayo mana adimma, koyere chala balo. Hey, ayo mana adimma, koyere chala balo. Koyere chala balo. Koyere chala balo. Koyere chala balo. Ule, koyere chala. Koyere chala. Ule. Koyere chala balo. Koyere chala balo. What's that? Sister? What happened to you? What is it? Jesus, sister, what happened to you? What did you eat? What happened to you? Jesus, please don't do this to me. Sister, Jesus. Sister Rima, she's vomiting blood. What is she doing?
And you refused to pick my call. Or probably you ignored my call. Why?
I was busy.
Busy doing what? Oh, now you're now busy for me, right? Busy for a whole day that you can't return a call?
Listen to me, Philomena. Listen. I am your boyfriend. And I deserve some respect. Mind the way you talk to me. Man, why are you shouting at the street? This is my house.
What guts? Like seriously? You now have the guts to talk back. Not just talking back, you're now shouting at me. After all I've done for you? You are feeding well Ike because of me. All your clothes, I bought them. This is how you pay me back.
And I'm also making you happy. I satisfy you. I kiss you every day, anytime you want. What do I kill myself for you? uncalled for. Excuse me. I'm your boyfriend and deserve some respect. Girlfriend, excuse me. Ike! For God, I must get to the root of this. OMG!
Papa, why did you bring it out? What is it?
Papa, the reason why I bring this is I have yes, and all I need to do.
You say something meaningful or else.
Else what, Papa? Else give me a mess. Papa, listen. Did you kill Irima or you and Mama initiated it?
Chukwuji, what are you saying? Be careful what you say. What is it?
Papa, I know you. You are an upcoming myopic devil who is being controlled by high-class demons. You and I know that Irima was killed. Yes, you know it. Who killed her? Is it you or because of the money she asked you for? That is why you people decided to take her life. Or it was even Mama that did.
Close your mouth. You know you are talking to your father.
I know I'm talking to my father. That's why I have to tell you the truth, Papa. And I know you cannot kill me because your evil hasn't gotten to that.
Hey! Akwamu no only Europe no. Chukwujeku.
Papa.
Chukwujeku, you are an enemy.
Papa, I'm not.
You are an enemy, Chukwujeku. Oh, yeah.
Papa, I'm your son. Papa, I'm your son. I'm telling you the truth, though.
Hey! So I've been living with my enemy inside the house, monitoring spirit.
Baby.
Hello. How are you?
Fine, and you?
I'm fine. Why is your face like this?
I'm just coming from the hospital.
Okay.
I'm too pregnant. Where is the doctor's report? I'm pregnant.
You're too pregnant? And who is responsible for the pregnancy?
What do you mean who is responsible for the pregnancy? Who else if not you? Are you not my man?
Sandra, I just have to be sure. I just have to be sure that this baby is mine. Okay?
This is not funny.
It's alright, I'm sorry. I'm joking. Okay? I'm sorry.
Don't smile, it's not funny. You're always doing this. I don't like it.
Okay, I just want to tell you that I'm happy you're pregnant, and I'm happy.
Okay? So just say that to you. You like us so good?
Yeah, that's it. Let's go inside. You know? Please don't spoil me.
Oh, you knew that is close already.
Also chubonyo chubaya nuwa mama. Hey, also chubamada chubaya nuwa ngozi. If I saw nothing no man, we go chalata not I go banwai. Oi, onye chukwu kozi no kozi go banwai. Jay, also chubonyo chubaya nuwa manwai. Also chubamada chubaya nuwa ngozi. If I saw nothing no man, we go chalata not I go banwai. Amen, man, no pokwa ngozi ngozi. Yeah, that's all life will be. Oi, person what they want to death, deny him they live a longer pass. Yeah, Makane menu mana, imanu go jalacha not chagano no. If a chuku then no, they give features in the noir. Oi, also chubonyo, chubayan woman. Hey, also chubamada, chubayan one. If I saw nothing no man, we go chalata not I go banwai. Oi, onye chukwu kozi no kozi go banwai. Jay, Also chuba nyuwa chuba ya nuwa manuai. Also chuba mada chuba ya nuwa ngozi. If I saw nothing no mebe, we go chala chano chago manuai. Amen.
Have it.
Yeah, I need another from the kitchen, so you just get let her in. Cool.
Okay. I'm coming. Jesus!
Like, seriously?
Sandra, what are you doing here?
What is the meaning of this? So you brought a woman to a hotel room and sent me the address. Has it gotten to this? After all I've done for you, I clothed you, gave you a house, bought you a car. This factory is because of me!
Sandra, wait. There's something you said now. I sent you a text. How? I don't understand.
Then who sent it? Who?
I did. Yes, I sent that text with your phone, baby boy.
Philomena.
You're stupid.
Well, it may interest you to see someone else, Sandra. Bro.
Jesus Christ.
Baby. Oh, baby.
Now can you tell me who is the rightful owner of that bread?
It's not pregnant.
Stop!
I thought you said that you are Kubalanchi Priest's cousin sister. So you lied to me.
Yes, I lied. I am your doomed relative. And as for you, Sandra, I told you that he who laughs last, laughs first. You were busy celebrating victory from the beginning, forgetting that the end matters the most. See who has the last laugh now.
Young man, I don't have any problem with you. She was busy extorting me and feeding you with the sin. But I don't have any problem with that. It's cool and fine by me. But one thing for sure is that Sandra, from today henceforth, if I ever see you close to me, my house, my family, I will make sure I cut your head off.
Yes, bro.
I will. And I repeat it again. Don't ever come close to my house.
I'm sorry, baby. Oh, did you say baby? Maybe. Maybe. I feel like killing you right now. I want, baby girl. But on the contrary, I should be the one doing that. I feel like strangling you, but I'll just spit your miserable life. See who has the last laugh. Oh! I'm done for. I lost him.
You should talk about it. You're even pregnant for him. That's how they go on the restaurant.
What are you doing in a hotel room with her?
Then what are you doing with him by getting pregnant? Nonsense.
You're supposed to be talking.
I don't understand. Oh, you don't understand. If you don't understand, let me make it clear to you again. Go in there, pack your things. You are coming to live with me. Not right now. You are coming to live with me. Live with you. Yes. I'm not going anywhere. I'm comfortable in my father's house. It's not about you being comfortable. Who cares if you are comfortable? Eh? It's is about what I want, where I want you to live, and what I want you to become. That's what should concern you, and not about what you want. And if I insist, oh, she said, if you insist, then I will tell the entire villages how you poisoned your siblings with food. You poisoned them. Oh, you're surprised. You didn't know. I know everything. Me, I know that you're keeping secret. I know. You did it. Me. Only knows you. Not me. I, myself, I did it. Don't stop pretending this your pretentious look. You are on time. You said which
low budget. Pick up. Action.
Come on, go in there, pack your bags and come out and stop this your crocodile tears. You low budgeted witch. I'm also daily. Only one name. You killed your siblings and you are here. Why won't you want to live alone? Wait, you actualize your dream. Your destiny inspiration to kill them and live alone. Go and get your bags, witch. Low budgeted one for that matter. You don't have choice. Go.
Also choba mada choba ya no one does. If I saw nothing no man, we go tala tana go banwai. Oi, onye chukwu kozi no kozi go banwai. Jay, also choba nyo choba ya no.
Why are you looking at me like that? You don't say me thank you. Tell me thank you now. Else I'll tell my mommy for you. Say thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. Wash them very well. They are very dirty. Very, very well. Clean them very well.
Yeah. That's all life will be. Oi, person what they want to tell them. Now in the live longer pass ya. Makane menu mana. Imanu go chala chana chagenu noa. If a chukuden no they give features in the noa. Oi, also chubonyo wa chubayanu wa mano. Hey, also choba mada chubayanu wa gozi. If I saw nothing no man, we go chala chana chago banwai. Oi, onye chukwu kozi no kozi go banwai. Jay, also chubonyo wa chubayanu wa manwai. Also chuba mada chubayanu wa gozi. If I saw nothing no man, we go chala chana chago banwai. Emenu manna na pokwa gozi gozi.
I didn't know my sister's clothes and things there. She asked you to wash them. And you want to wash it. Oh, I don't know when you grow up. Don't worry, I'll help you wash them. I'll help you wash them by burning them.
No. Deku, don't burn them, Deku. Deku, you put me in trouble. Deku.
Also chubonyo wa chubayanu wa mano. Hey, also chuba mada chubayanu wa gozi. If I saw nothing no man, we go chala chana chago banwai.
I told you I will deal with you. I told you I will deal with you in this house. I've done that thing that's in my mind and there's nothing you can do about it. I'm working at the house. You don't have enough for zona. If you touch her, I will deal with you. There, Mama, there's nothing your mother and father can do about it. Because you're biting more than you can chew. You know, make a nation when like this. If you hold me again now, you can smoke your now. No, you will have waited.
Where's the clothes?
I told you to stay far away from her. You can't walk your land now. How do you know you can go to your
Wait for me.
There's nothing you can do. Your mother, your father, there's nothing they can do about it. Tell her. Best of the same feather. No for her.
I told you not to burn.
You relax. I don't know why you be allowing this lady to intimidate you in this house.
If your mother comes back, it's me that she will come
See,
and
one day, just target her. Yes, I'm behind you. Eh?
You don't understand.
I know. Calm down. Nothing will happen. You know why you, Tell your mother. Now to where? told you, as long as I'm in this house, nothing will happen to you. No harm will come to you in this house. Do you understand me? So, I told you, one day just target her. This girl, target her. I'll be right behind you.
You know, always there. I don't know what I go through in this house. I don't always there.
Relax.
The thing is that for me.
You are allowing this girl to climb you. Because this girl biting more than she can chew in this house. I want is too much. But don't worry, I know that one day, this thing that is going on with Yam, Mama and Papa flocking together, will soon come to our own side too. Don't worry, I'll get me to tell you very soon. Okay, I'll tell you.
Where do you think you are going to? What kind of stupid question is that? Where are you going to? Mama? 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 Come and ask her where she's going to.
Where are you going to?
Mama, I'm going to church.
You are going to which church?
Church? Mama, I'm going to church. Can't you see that I'm already late? Give me the Bible.
Can't no one see that you are already late in this house? Boy, church what go on where the church below wagi. You came in aka. Can you feel me in aka? Say that like you. But don't worry about it, sir. Did you take permission from me? Did you take permission from me? Come close, I'm talking to you. Don't make me stretch my neck. Ask me, did you take permission from me? Answer me also. Come close. I'm a Mary Yaro. You don't take permission. Mama, you don't take permission. Mama, still at home. I'm off here. Come back here, leave her. Leave her. I'm off here. Mama, just go. No food for her today and tomorrow morning. Just like that. She will not eat it today, this night and tomorrow morning. Go and sleep in the church. I'm not here. What can go and Akanjo? Can go and Akanjo?
Mama, wait, drop it this side. Let me.
Yeah, me.
Mama, you have got to sweep this thing. My hands are paining me. And I talked her, so I will tell her to sweep this thing. Mama, why did you beat her too much now?
Police, come now. Let's come now. Come to the station. Come. Hey, come. People warning this boy about his wolf. Hey. See why? No problem. I will come.
dị ka ndegere chinwe akwụkwọ. Ihe mbụ n'obi na-emere m ọ dị ka ndegere chinwe edemede o. Asa nwa m.
So you are still crying because of his arrest? Very soon, eh? You will be sentenced to death by hand.
Mama, why are you wicked? Why are you wicked? Why are you heartless?
Why is your boyfriend wicked and heartless?
Even if you don't like him, why are you celebrating? You're not people's misery.
Why is your boyfriend heartless? Why is your boyfriend killing innocent souls, taking their property?
Did he take your own?
Come on,
it's your own amount of money.
Come on, when I'm talking, don't talk much. Very
let somebody
soon, you'll
rest.
join me.
Don't worry.
Why you are my mother? Everybody.
Love you, girl. Love you, girl. I didn't love him for Jesus.
Chinyenka, I think this is a good decision, no?
Getting married to a blind man.
At least it is far better than the suffering and miseries you're facing in this house.
Cheko, that's the same.
Why can't you just understand me? They are not the same. They can never be the same. At least this man will treat you like a queen. Then you don't have to complain about food or anything. And you even have better chance of running away. Because then you won't even have any trace. Nobody can trace you. Look into it. It's far better than you suffering in this place. Then you won't even have you don't have to complain about food, clothing or anything. But in this house, they will beat you. You are being treated like a slave. And food served, Lily, you will not see. You do all the things in this, you do all the chores in the house. And Mama will not even look at your face. Please. This is a good decision though. I know he's a blind man, but look into it. Please. No man now.
You arrived.
You have arrived in my house.
Yes. Yeah, now.
Oh, thank you very much. I can feel it. And I will have to thank you so much. But you can be on your way now. But please, try and check me in the evening to know how I am faring.
I will do that. There's no problem.
Okay. So you can take your leave now.
I will go in now.
Oh, God bless you.
She's there.
Where is she? Nne.
Yes, she's here.
Nne.
Erema, please, take good care of me. Please. I'll be coming time to time.
Okay.
Now, take care.
Okay. Yeah, I greet everybody.
There's no problem, I will.
Thank you. Nne. That is something I cannot bear. Why calling me Papa? I am your husband and you are now calling me Papa.
Yeah, but you did not pay my bride price.
I did not pay your bride price, but you agreed to marry me. Didn't you agree to marry me?
Well, that was because I was confused. I chose a better pay.
You choose a better pay. You are confused. Hey. Well, we talk that later. Take me in first. Take me inside.
Like this.
Oh.
Stand the other way.
This way?
Yes.
Okay. Hey. Okay, let's go inside first. Okay, I can now. Hey.
There is a way for everything.
Chinyaka.
Papa, you awake already?
Yes. What are you doing?
Good morning.
Good morning, madam. What are you doing?
I was trying to arrange the firewood. I wanted to make something, but there was nothing in the house.
Okay, don't worry. Let us go. Let's go to the market. You go there, when we get there, we buy. I have some friends who watch me posters. Other things. Let us go. Chinyaka. Chinyaka.
Papa.
Come.
Papa, you are done.
I am not eating.
Hope you enjoy the meal.
So much. As a matter of fact, you are a wonderful cook.
Thank you. I'm happy you liked it.
Who wouldn't love such a delicious meal?
Okay, Papa. I'll be at the backyard.
Thank you very much.
I'll join you later.
Okay. Yeah. Hey. Oh. That's very good.
Now,
wake up. You are not cooking?
Yes, it is ready.
Oh, that's very good. You cook very fast and you cook very well. My cap.
I'm with it.
Let's go.
My makeup is
my favorite soup.
You sent for me?
Yes, my daughter. I have something for you.
What is it?
Take it. Use it to buy new clothes. Even if I don't see. I want people to witness you looking good.
Where did you get 9,000 from?
Oh, it's 9,000 there?
Yes.
Okay, maybe I let one of it. It's 10,000, but there's no problem. Use it to buy something for yourself. You know, I save it from the money people dash me whenever I go out.
And you're giving it to me to buy clothes?
Directly from my heart.
Chai, Papa, thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you.
There is a way for everything. And there is a mandate for every secret. Onye na nusa onye kaya dia chop matap. Efine wela do chia na chuji. Maka ifonye metala oh ifaboni mene ifonye mena yoa koya na lobol ifaboni ifonye metala oh There is a way for everything, and there is a mandate for every secret. Onye na nusa onye kaya dia chop matapa. Efine wela do chia na chuji. Maka ifonye metala oh ifonye mena yoa koya na lobol ifaboni ifonye
Papa, why are you smiling? What are you thinking?
I am not thinking anything. I'm smiling because of what I'm seeing.
What are you seeing? What are you seeing?
I'm seeing how beautiful this your new clothes is on you. In fact, you are very beautiful.
How are you saying that when you are blind?
That is what you think. I'm not blind.
Are you saying you're not?
Even if I'm blind, this is red. I am not blind, I can see. This is red. So ask me if I'm blind. Look at your earring. I can see you very well. You are very beautiful. No, that was it.
Oh my God! Oh, Papa, thank you very much. See people coming to my rescue.
You are not. You can't thank me alone. I equally thank you because we owe each other.
Keep on with this prank till beat.
You call it prank. I call it strategy. I use this strategy to search for a perfect wife for my son, which I see you. You really are very beautiful. You are really the perfect man for my son. And you are the perfect wife.
Wait, you might get your son. I thought you said you lost your son.
I lost no one. I have a son who is very wealthy. Very wealthy. A businessman. That's only that he's still single. So I'm now looking for somebody who will do it. And I see you as a perfect for my son. My son, you are welcome. I've been expecting you for some time, but now that you're here, let the introduction. Here is the woman I've gotten for you. My daughter. Here is my son, Tobena. The man I prepared for you. How do you say?
Chinyaka, it's nice meeting you.
My pleasure.
No, it's not only your pleasure, it's our pleasure. It's our pleasure, eh? Yes.
Chinyaka, you have really gone through a lot. What a sad story.
Yes. And I appreciate my courage to keep living till death. Because you have been dead long time ago.
Now everything is in place. You are forgiven. And I promise to treat you like a queen until you always disappoint me.
And I will treat you like a king. I love you too. Where did you get this clothes from here? Did you steal it? And where did you steal it from? Get this where because I know your blind husband cannot afford this. That wretched blind husband will dash you to Africa. Whoever. Please. Tell me where you stole that cloth from. Oh no. And what are you doing with this thing?
Hey, you. Hey, young man. Who are you? What are you?
I am Tobin, the son of Ichogo.
So what are you doing with his wife?
And I came to say hello to you people with my beautiful wife. Well, point of correction. She is my wife. My father married her.
Hey!
And I must inform you that my father has never been blind.
One is not blind.
He only pretended just to get this beautiful wife for me.
Ichiobunna is not blind.
And that is why I came to see her family, just to inform you people that in 2 weeks' time, I'll be coming to pay her down properly and make her my wife.
He deceived me to take my daughter away from me.
Oh, please don't be offended. I did not receive you. But instead of getting yourself involved in this thing, I have a beautiful daughter. Well, great. Beautiful, very professional. mother, and she's like, make good husband and wife out there. I will catch my mother today. I can see the guy you came to tell them. Ask me to stop again. If you ask me to shame, what's not shame? What shame? Look at what is happening in front of me and you're calling shame.
Chinyaka here is the only woman that gladdens my heart. The only woman that gives me that happiness and joy that I need. I love her so much.
Hey.
In 2 weeks' time.
Papa, if possible, she will inform you. He might not be up to that. Maybe 1 week or probably 2 weeks' time.
It's okay. No problem. We'll be waiting for you.
We have to take our leave.
Oh, yeah, now. Bye-bye.
There is a wait for everything, and there is a mandate for every secret. Onye na nusa onye kaya dia choko matakwa na efine mwelo dem jia na chulu iji maka nifonye metala oh oni mele ifonye mena yoa koya na lobo ifoni metala ifonye metala oh ifonye mena yoa koya na lobo there is a wait for everything, and there is a mandate for every secret. Onye na nusa onye kaya dia choko.
This marriage, I said it will not work. I married you to a blind man. In short, I gave you to a blind man to marry. No other man will marry you. If this young man still insists to marry you, your face will turn into a mask. Yes! Your face will turn into a masquerade. If you want to live, marry the blind man. But if you want to die, marry him and you become a king. Masquerade! Masquerade! Sister Chinyaka, Pastor, what are you doing with a box? Along the road, looking so rejected. My husband chased me out of his house. What?
Why?
He said a mask keeps appearing on my face. I don't know. I don't understand what that means.
It's okay. It's okay.
Why did you send this girl packing without my knowledge?
Why?
Tell me, why?
Because I don't want to die. These marks keep repeating and reappearing to her face each time I see and look at her eyes. When I look at her face, the marks keep reappearing.
Now listen and listen good. I spent so much time with this girl. There was no mask on her face or whatsoever. No mask.
Papa, believe me, I saw these marks on her face, right on her face.
Then why did you send her out instead of you sending her back to me, or you send her back to her village with her pregnancy? What manner of wickedness is that?
I'm sorry. It's just that my brain was filled up and I was confused. I don't want to die.
Now listen and listen good. No matter what it is that fills up your brain, you better offload it. Then why can't you send her back to me, or possibly send her back to her village with her pregnancy? What manner of wickedness is that?
Well, Papa, I'm sorry, but believe me, I really don't want to die. My head was filled up and I was confused. I don't know what to do.
Now, listen and listen good for the last time. No matter what it is that filled up your head or your brain, start offloading them now. Now listen. Go and look for this very girl wherever she is. Failure to bring her back to me, you will regret having me as your father.
I've been looking for her too. I don't know.
I've been in search of your sister all over the village. Have you seen her?
Have you checked out?
Just came out from the house now. Not even up to 30 minutes. I've been driving around this village in search of your sister. I've not seen her.
Where would she have gone to now? I'm worried right now. How about we check back again?
I just told you now that I left her compound not up to 30 minutes. Then you expect me to go back there?
I'm actually trying to think. I don't think she's like that. She's supposed to be at home.
So where are you supposed to?
How about we just go and check again? I'm going to open your name. Yes. Actually,
come inside.
mighty King of Kings, Lord of Lords. You are the greatest. There is no power that can fight you. Oh Lord, I bless your holy name. Thank you, Father, for everything you have shown. You are the greatest. Any yoke, any evil spirit that is tormenting you, Lord, that is against you, I say, you are delivered. Oh Lord, you are the greatest. Have your way, oh Lord. Lord Jesus, you are God. You are the I am that I am. The Christ God. Everything you, I say you are delivered. You are delivered from any God, any evil spirit, any man, any evil man, any evil woman, shut against you. Holy God, fire. Let that you be Father, I call upon your holy name. I say, come and manifest. Come and do that thing you sent me to do. Father, I did not come here, my God. Who are you? Who is that man? Who is that woman? Any evil man, any spirit, any altar that they have called your name. I said, Holy Ghost, fire! Holy Ghost, fire! Holy Ghost, fire! Mighty man in battle. There is nothing bigger than you. You are the lion of the tribe of Judah. Never you be broken. Holy Ghost, fire! Fire!
Also chuba nyuwa chuba ya nuwa mano. Hey, also chuba mada chuba ya nuwa ngozi. If I solo ndino me, we go chalata na chago kwanuai. Oi, onye chukwu gozi ni na gozi go kwanuai. Che, also chuba nyuwa chuba ya nuwa mano ai. Also chuba mada chuba ya nuwa ngozi. If I saw Landino, maybe we go chalata, not chago quanoa. Amen, man, and up on gazing gazia. Yeah, that's all life will be. Oi, person what they want to death, deny him, they live a longer pass. Yeah, Macanemenu man, him man who go chalata, not chago. If a chuku then no yege features in the noir. Oi, also chubonyo, chubayan woman. Hey, also chubamada, chubayan one cousin. If a solon dino man, we go to Lantana, chago quanoy. Oi, onye chuku cousin, no gozi go quanoy. Jay, Asa chubanyo, chubayano, amanuai. Asa chubamada, chubayano, angazi. If I saw Landino, maybe we go to la chano, chago manua. Emenu manna, na pokwangazi, ngazia. Yeah, that's all life will be. Oi, person what they want to death, denying they live a longer pass. Yeah, makane menu manna, imanu go chala chana chagana noa. If a chuku dena no nyege features in the noa. Oi, whoa, whoa, whoa.